Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you can add leads from Google Forms to your Keap CRM automatically. Now, suppose you are running a survey form or any kind of form online. When people will fill these forms which you have been circulating online on your website or on some social media platforms, what will happen? The details from these forms will be taken by Keap CRM and an automatic contact will be created in Keap CRM. Now to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation software service Pabbly Connect, which will help us connect Google Forms and Keap CRM automatically. Now if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are here at our screen. Now what we have to do, we have to go to the address bar and type in pabbly.com/connect. And as soon as you will do that, you will be redirected to this beautiful web page. And here you have two options. Either you can sign in or you can sign up. Now signing in is absolutely easy because if you already have an account, you can go and sign in directly. If you want to sign up, signing up is absolutely free and signing up will only take 2 minutes for you to do. And also we are giving you 100 free tasks every month from our side so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you here. Okay, so just go for sign up if you do not have an account. I already have an account here, so I will just go for sign in. Now as you can see, this is the place where I have all my software. So here I will just go for Pabbly Connect access now. And now here my dashboard will come and you can see these are all the automations I have been doing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new workflow here. Now I'm going to write here Google Forms to Keap. Okay. Now you can name it whatever you want to. I have just given it this name. Now here what we are going to do, you can see we have two windows here. First one is trigger, second one is action. Now trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process, and action is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process. So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. Okay. So what is happening here? First we are having a form submission in our Google Forms. So we will just go for Google Forms here and then we will go for new response received. Now here you can see we have a webhook URL. So what is this webhook URL? Now webhook URL is the URL which will be used to connect our Google Forms to our Pabbly Connect account. So what we are going to do, we are going to just copy this webhook URL and then we will follow all these steps. Now I am not going to read that because that is very long. So you can just follow it. I am just going to show you how it's done. So I'll go here in my Google Forms and this is my form which I have created for Keap CRM. Here name, email, phone number and company name are the fields. Now you can see we do not have any, any option of putting in our putting in our webhook URL. So what I am going to do is, I am just going to use the sheet which is connected to this Google form, and this is the sheet which has been used by this Google form to create entries. So what will happen? Whenever we will create a new entry in this form or whenever we will do a new form submission, the entry will go directly to this Google Sheet here, and this Google Sheet will be connected to the Pabbly account through the webhook URL. Now I am going to show you how it's done. First, let me fill the form. So my name, let me just go to preview first. So my name is Arpit. Let me put in my full name, Arpit Sharma. Email is arpitsharma@gmail.com. Phone number is, okay. And company name, so I work for Pabbly Connect. So I'm just gonna type my company name, Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on submit. So you can see here our response has been submitted, and when we will go here, you can see we have a new entry here, Arpit Sharma @gmail.com. Phone number is this and company name is this. Now what I am going to do, I am going to connect this Google Sheet to my Pabbly Connect account so that whenever I have a new form response, it will automatically go to my to my Pabbly Connect account. So I'll just go here. First, I will copy this webhook URL from Pabbly Connect account. Then I will go back to Google Sheets, and from extensions, I will go and select Pabbly Connect webhooks. Now, if you do not have Pabbly Connect webhooks installed, you have to go to the add-ons, click on Get Add-ons, then go here, and then you just type Pabbly Connect webhooks, and you will have this extension here. You can just install it in your system. I already have installed it in my system, so I do not need to do that again. So I'll just go back. I will go back to extensions, then I will go to Pabbly Connect webhooks, and then I will click on initial setup. Now here you can see I have a previous webhook URL from a previous workflow. I'm not gonna paste that again. So what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna copy this again, and I'm going to paste it here. Okay. And here what I'm going to do, I'm going to put in the trigger column. Now what is trigger column? Trigger column is the last data column of your spreadsheet. In my case, it is E. In your case, it can be D or C or F, G, H, anything. So I'm just going to click on submit. So you can see our information is now saved. Now what I will do to send this data to my Pabbly Connect account, I will again go to Pabbly Connect webhooks, click on initial setup, and now I will click on send test. And as soon as I will do that, you can see the test data has been sent successfully. So we will just go to our Pabbly Connect, and here we will see the response. So this is the response, Arpit Sharma @gmail.com, Pabbly Connect, Keap CRM responses is the name of my sheet. And this is our first step. So our first step has been completed successfully, where we have connected our Pabbly Connect account to our Google Sheets account. Now what we have to do, we will go for action window. And here we will add Infusionsoft by Keap. Now here what we are going to do, we are going to create a new contact. So we will just click on create or update contact and click on connect. Now you can see here it is asking me if you want to choose the existing connection or add a new one. So I'll just go and connect with a new connection. So I will just click on connect with Infusionsoft by Keap. And now I already have logged in my Keap account here. So it will only ask me to allow, and as soon as I will allow it, it will get connected to my Pabbly Connect account. Now your data with the Pabbly Connect account is absolutely safe, and Pabbly Connect does not take any chances with your data, and that is why you can give it the authorization. And here what I'm going to do is, you can see I have some fields here, email, first name, last name, job title, company, and so many fields are present here. So what we are going to do, we are only going to fill in those fields which we had in our form. And here I am going to use a technique which is called mapping, and mapping will let me take the data from this window and it will let me put the data here in these fields. Okay. So first I'm just gonna map my email. So this is my email. Now it is asking me for my first name and last name. So I do not have any first name and last name. I have a full name. So what I will do, I will just go for first name and I will put in my first name here, Arpit Sharma. I am not going to fill in my last name, job title. Now this company, the option for company is the company which you have in your Keap CRM account, which is Magnet Brains and other. So you can just create the companies and you can use those companies to have new contacts in your Keap CRM according to your company profile. Okay. Like let's say you can make a company as A company where you want specific kind of contacts. Then you can create B companies where you find where you want specific kind of contacts related to software company. Then you can make C company where you need specific kind of contacts from people who are doing MBAs. So you can make companies there. I am not using any kind of company, so I'll just go and click on map and I'll just delete this because I'm not going to select any company here. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go down, and here at phone number 1, I'll just map in my phone number. Okay. So you can see I have already mapped in my phone number, and then I will go here. And as soon as I will click save and send test request, an automatic contact will be created in my Keap CRM. So I'll just go for save and send test request. And as soon as I will do that, you can see a new contact has been made here, arpitsharma@gmail.com, and all the details are present here. Now we will go back to our Keap CRM, which is this. And here we will go for contacts and we will see the contacts. So you can see here is a new contact, Arpit Sharma at the gmail.com, and you can see today's date added February 25, 2022. Okay. Now let's just do this for one more contact. So let me just go for another one. Name is Swati Sharma. Email is Swati Sharma at the gmail.com. Phone number will be another dummy number 9998786757. Good. And company she is also working for Pabbly Connect. So I'll just go for Pabbly Connect and I will submit it. So as you can see, as soon as I will submit this form and I will go back here, and as soon as I will refresh this, you will see a new contact will be added here in our Keap CRM by the name Swati Sharma, but it is not here. So let us wait for some seconds. So let us just wait for a few minutes and let's see what happens. Let me refresh it again and let's see what happens. Okay, as we can see, Swati Sharma is not coming here. So let me just go in quickly into my Google Sheets and check one event. And do I have it on or not? Okay, so here is the mistake. Folks, I forgot to tell you, and it is very good that this happened, because if it would have not happened, I would have not been able to teach you this. If I want to send more data to my Pabbly Connect account through my Google Forms, I have to switch on this, option send on event. And because it is off, that is why our new contact Swati Sharma was not, created in our Keap CRM. So let me just switch it on, send on event. Let's go to extensions again. And let's see if it's on or not. Okay, now it is on. Let me just delete this row. Delete row. And now as you can see, let me refresh it. We do not have any contact with Swati Sharma right now. Okay. Okay, we do not have any contact. Now what we will do, we will again fill the same details. Now I do not know the phone number because it was a dummy number. So I'm just going to use another number now. So it was Swati Sharma again. Email Swati Sharma at the gmail.com. Phone number 9876567 987675678 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, company name again, I am just going to use Pabbly Connect here, and let's just submit it. And now you can see it has been submitted. Here we have Swati Sharma at the gmail.com in contacts. Let me just refresh it, and now our contact Swati Sharma should be here. Yes. Okay. So this is how it's done. Swati Sharma at the gmail.com. Let me just open it and let me just show it to you. This is the whole, whole contact of Swati Sharma here. Swati Sharma at the gmail.com. And we have successfully created Arpit Sharma and Swati Sharma through automation. And friends, this is how you can integrate your Google Forms with your Keap CRM, so that whenever a new entry or a new submission has been made in your Google Forms, an automatic contact will be created in your Keap CRM. And please do not forget to switch on your send on event, because without that, the data after the first row which has been submitted in our Google Sheets will not be sent to our Pabbly Connect account. Okay. So let's just go back here, and let me tell you, if you want to clone this beautiful workflow, you can just go into my description box and clone it in your account. But to clone it in your account, you need to have an account, and to do that, you need to go and sign up so that you can use this workflow. And also we are giving you 100 free tasks every month from our side so that you can practice these workflows. So what are you waiting for? Go and sign up now. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to added in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation information is a boon for us, and it can change the future. And I will, suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.